What's going on, guys? Guess One Bear. Now I'm going to give you all a little tip when it comes to your navigation light. Might be a good one for you, something to consider. Stay tuned. You're watching Two Bears Outdoors.
Yesterday we had an absolutely amazing day on the water. We haven't had one of those in a long time where the whole day was just absolutely fabulous. The weather was perfect, the water was perfect. We met up with some new friends, a fellow YouTuber.
There we go. Now we're talking.
Hitting the stogie.
Now we're talking. Cheers.
Cheers to
Avenir Sandbar. Never been out here before. He invited us to come out. Another YouTuber. All right, this is Keys Boating Channel. So if you have not been on this channel, guys, I would like you to just go there, pay a visit, like and subscribe. You know the routine.
appreciate it. Thank you.
And so there's a big sandbar there, and it was just awesome. So again, we were having such a great day that we hung out until the sun was like starting to go down. And finally I'm like, you know what, Gus, we need to head back, because we had about a 45-minute or so ride back to Key Largo where we keep our boat. Got ready to head back, and then we realized,
All right, guys, sun's going down. Just realized that our switch for the navigation light not working.
so luckily Gus had decided early on to purchase these little set of lights.
So luckily I have this. But instead of having an extra switch and trying to repair all of that on the water, we get these little things and clip them on the boat, and we got our navigation light on the bow, and we also have the navigation light on the stern. So this is a lifesaver, guys. This is one of the tips that I always, even with the Scout, I have a set of these things, because you never know when your navigation lights are going to go out. And in this case, it wasn't the light, it was the switch.
And this is the stern light. It comes with the stern light, and then also, you know, your left and right port and starboard navigation light. And these are really cool. They're just made out of silicone, and they just stretch and go around, you know, like the bars, or up there, you know, maybe a cleat, wherever you can put them to get them close to where your actual lights are. So it didn't take me just a few minutes to get these installed, and then we were on our way. And of course it was getting dark by the time we headed back. And the majority of our trip, at least a good 3/4 of it, was in almost total darkness. So you've got to have your navigation lights when you're running. It's really dangerous if you don't. People can't see you. And it's actually illegal to do that as well. So this is a great little alternative. It wasn't they weren't expensive at all. And like I said, when Gus first decided to get them, I'm like, well, what do we need those for? And he's like, you know, you never know. We could have an issue. And if we do, and it's not, we got to have something. So these really saved the day. We were able to get back, no problem. They're bright enough, they can be seen. So yeah, they're an absolutely awesome purchase for very little money, and just peace of mind that, you know, God forbid something happens with your lights, then you're set. You've still got something to use.